Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to stop your auto download on WhatsApp updates right away. Now go to WhatsApp and make sure you go to the settings after that and slide it down and tap on the options of app updates, right? From here you will get an option of auto update app. If it is on, then the updates will automatically be done without you knowing whenever the updates will be there, right, in the Google Play Store, right? And if you tap on allow updates over any network, that means you don't need Wi-Fi to auto download this, right? That's what it is. And also, if you don't want notifications of WhatsApp update available, then you can turn it off, the notifications button, right? As you can see, I'm doing on phone. So this is app update settings. Do as per your need, and see you next video with more interesting video. Ta-da!